Here I am taking 1 bowl of palak. Add water to blanch the palak. 2 spoons of peanuts, 1 hour I soaked and using here. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Let it cool down. To a blender, add spinach, ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons of coconut pieces and 2 chilies. Here I used spinach boiled water to make a paste. Blend all the ingredients into a fine paste. In a pan, add that blended paste. Here I used spinach boiled water. Salt as per taste. While blending, I used 2 chilies, so that's why I am adding here chili powder, turmeric powder. 1 bowl of curd, adding 1 spoon of gram flour, half spoon of rice flour. Mix it well without lumps. This curd I mixed into the boiling curry. Let it boil for 15 minutes in medium-low flame. For tampering, I used 1 spoon of oil, 1 spoon of ghee, 1 spoon of Chana dal, 1/2 spoon of mustard seeds, 1/2 spoon of Jeera, garlic and red chilli, Hing and curry leaves. This tampering mix into the boiling curry. Now it's ready. You can serve with rice, jeera rice, chapati, puri, any